Hi everyone, this is Miss B, Miss Bisson, and I'm just going to show you how to make a quick dry erase board. And I'm here with my daughter Mika, and she's going to demonstrate that for us. So my daughter Mika is going to show you all you need basically is either a gallon size Ziploc bag, or if you have those inserts, clear inserts to put papers in, the ones that come with binders, sometimes you can use one of those. But if you just have gallon size freezer or Ziploc bags, one side has writing, so that's the side that you want to be down so that it won't show, and then the other side is clear. But either way, once you're finished, you'll be able to do it. So Mika, I'm going to ask you to just put in the paper. So it's basically just unzip and stick in the paper. Now this is a white piece of paper. Sometimes the white pieces of paper, they produce a bit of glare. With the plastic, it may produce the glare anyhow. So I'm a teacher of students with visual impairments, and if they're using it, I like to use a manila paper. So this is a piece of Braille paper, and Mika's gonna just, you can just put it even over that, Mika. So you just basically stick it in there, and then you're going to end up zipping it, and I'm gonna give you a marker, Mika, and you can just write your name, and what you can use as an eraser is just a napkin or a clean tissue. Oh, my marker is dry. It's dried out. Well, no, if your marker is good, it will produce darker writing than this one.